Hi, this is LaShawn Russell, founder and CEO of PrivateEventsAtSea.com, where as a group leader, it doesn't cost, but it pays to have this much fun. After a fun-filled day of activities, let's all get ready for a gourmet dining experience. After dinner is done, let's catch a show or dance the night away. Cruise ships today are like floating resorts, but don't forget all about the exciting ports of call. If you are ready to get started planning your next cruise group adventure, please take a few moments and fill out the form below, hit send, and we'll get back to you within 48 hours.